I hope people don't make fun of my acne or my pubic hairs.
Everybody call me Big Pimpin'. No, I ain't bluffing.
So basically, what we're gonna need for this protein shake is almond milk first. You just need a lot of it. It doesn't matter how much. You're gonna need some peanut butter too. Peanut butter is really good for nuts. You want nuts. And then you're gonna need a banana. Bananas taste really good and they look nice on the inside. And they taste good. So you're gonna need a banana. You're gonna need some more nuts. So these nuts are really tasty. Sometimes they're a little salty or wasabi-y. And then you mix them all in. So you gotta come over here. So first you get your nuts and you squeeze your nuts. So you gotta hit them hard.
Stop.
Bruh, gotta hit these nuts, okay? Then you put them in your drink, okay? And then what you do is get your banana and you put it all in there. So you gotta drop it in. Sometimes people like to eat the banana without the skin. I personally enjoy the skin, so I'm gonna put in a little bit because the skin always tastes good. Then you're gonna mix in a lot of almond milk. Okay, bro? So you mix in the almond milk. And then there's a secret ingredient, but I can't let my camera woman see this. Okay, bro? Get out. Get out, Senior Thought. So there's a secret ingredient. I don't like to tell people this, but I always have my own natural protein, okay? You gotta get your own natural protein. You just save these from whenever you use them, okay? You squeeze them out into there. So, sorry I don't have my camera, man. What's up? I'm gonna see my grandma's reaction. She loves these shakes. I occasionally give them to her, but you know, she doesn't work out as much as me because, you know, she's a granny.
What? Yeah.
So what do you think of it?
It's delicious. Thank you.
My protein shake, it tastes really good. Okay, but it has secret ingredients.
Okay.
But it tastes super good. I made some of it myself.
Okay. Wow, that tastes great.
Yeah, I know. I made that a lot. Like it takes time to make it, but you know, usually have to shake a lot with one arm.
That's really good.
Look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love's a